Hi friends, welcome back to the Martin Museum. I'm Kelly Martin, Independent Scentsy Consultant. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today this is part 2 of tonight's videos. I am unboxing what is a large order that I received from somebody who's giving some pretty awesome Christmas gifts. And so I'm going to share. I'm not completely taking some of the stuff apart and going to put it together and show you. I will just give you kind of a look at what they look like so that I can put them back in the boxes and make them pretty again. So I wanted to share with you what came today. This is the third of 3 boxes I picked up today. I've got one more coming tomorrow. So today's box, I have several warmers, and a lot of them I have opened up already just to try to help move things along a little bit faster. So this guy is the Be Jolly. He's one of our holiday specials, and he comes with a little lid, his hat on his cute little face. He is an element warmer, so he does not come with a light bulb, and has a little dish there that is included. So this guy is in the holiday collection. He is, at least was, when I looked earlier today, was still available. So a couple of those items have sold out, but this guy is still available, which I was really thankful that I could get him, because I had ordered one for me and then somebody wanted it. And so I sold it to him and had to order a new one, and I was glad I could. All right, so the next one that I'm going to share with you, this is the pressed tin warmer. And this warmer, it does come with I believe that's a 25-watt bulb. And so you could put colored bulbs in here. It has a small dish. This says to put 4 cubes of wax, up to 4 cubes of wax in here, and it sits on here. So here's the pressed tin warmer, what it looks like, which is white with, it's kind of got a rustic look to it. So that is another warmer that came today. And then the third warmer I'm going to share with you, this is the Grateful Hearts warmer. So this looks like a tin. It says gather here with grateful hearts. Sorry, I'm gonna try to unwrap that a little bit for you. That's a better look at it. So the light bulb that you put in there will shine through. The words are carved out of the tin. This is like a little milk carton, and then the top here, wow, that is a very large top, but recommends 4 cubes of wax. And actually, so the 4 on the bottom here says that for, ultimate scent throw, and in a large room, put 4 cubes of wax in this and it will melt and scent the room, fully scent the room. So this is Grateful Heart, and that went away. Next, I want to share with you, I got in one of the 10th anniversary, the unicorn, and I actually think I saw this one sold out today. I could be wrong, but we have the 10th anniversary. It's the cute little unicorn Scentsy buddy, who was one of the Bring Back My Buddies. So she's going back in her. I know a little girl who's probably going to be thrilled to get this cutie. So there is the first of the boxes. Put some stuff away here. Next, I got in one of the premium diffusers. So here is the pedestal diffuser. This is the base that comes with anytime you order the whole system, and then you can swap out the different covers that go over the top of them. So this is the Enrich, pretty, the Enrich cover. So it kind of looks like some blue, light blue, and slightly darker but more turquoise blue daisies on there. That is super gorgeous. That is, somebody is getting some awesome Christmas presents. So a couple weeks ago I had ordered in for the same person another one of our premium diffusers that is the Stargaze one, similar to one that I had shared a while ago. Another one of our, the scent pack that goes with the buddies. So the scent packs go in the back where they have the zipper. I have another buddy here. This is Una, our cute little girl who has the abominable snowman with her, who goes in her pocket here. So Una carries around her friend, the abominable snowman, and then in the back you can unzip the pocket in the back that's kind of hidden by her dress and put the scent pack in there. And so they actually ordered Jammy Time. This is for a little child who they wanted something, a scent that would help be calming to help the child sleep. So I got them a lavender scentsy, or Jammy Time scent pack. However, they were sold out at the time. I happen to have a couple on my shelf, so I ordered in a Very Merry Christmas, a scent that I wanted, in exchange for the Jammy Time. So those are that. This is one of the buddies that is currently available in our catalog. And then in the, again, the Christmas collection, and these, somebody said they were sold out. I never saw that they were sold out, but then they said, oh, they're back along with the frosted flannel, which was sold out a couple of weeks ago, and it also came back. So it has the plug to go into the wall, and like all of our plugs that go into the wall like this on any of the mini warmers or the fan diffusers, is that our plugs will turn. So there's a little button down here, and you push the button and it allows you to turn so that whatever direction your plug in is, and I have seen some that are upside down or sideways, so whichever direction your plug is, you can adjust the plug so that it will fit your plug in. And it's got the little mini 15 watt light bulb. And again, we do have colored light bulbs, though I don't know that I'd put colored in this, just because this one, it will radiate out a little bit of light in these holes here. But this is called Gingerbread Man, and he got a little gingerbread man here laying in your teacup with the snowflakes. And that little fellow, oops, is going in a gift basket that I am going to be putting together with some of the wax that I'm about to share with you. So I did get in some wax to go with all of these warmers. That goes in there. What's that? Okay, I'll keep everything together here. Along with my Be Jolly feller. So I got in, I had to get some more pods because I'm always going through my pods. I have Feeling Pine, which is one of the holiday scents. This one, it smells, to me, being native of the Northwest, of the Pacific Northwest, I absolutely love our pine trees. And when you cut down a tree and have it for Christmas, this is to me what it smells like, Feeling Pine. I also got Welcome Home, and I ordered 2 of those. And then the Lemon Verbena, and Berry Blessed, another one of the holiday scents, and then Aloe Water and Cucumber. So those are I have several of the fan diffusers in my house. Next, I have some wax that came in, and I ordered in the Christmas Cottage, which, if you like the smell of cinnamon, this one's a really good cinnamon. Snow-Kissed Cranberry, which I really like our cranberries. Cranberry and pomegranate are two probably of my favorite holiday scents that I can warm. Perfectly Peppermint. And then I ordered in 2 of the 3 packs of the holiday bars, which come as a 3-pack. And you can only order them as a 3-pack. However, if there's only one scent in here that you really, really like, add it to your Scentsy Club. And if you don't have a Scentsy Club, don't know what a Scentsy Club is, you can go to my website, click on the link to Scentsy Club, and set up a subscription that will ship automatically to you. You can set up to be monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. So every 1, 2, or 3 months, they will ship whatever it is that is in your club order. If you want a single scent that is in a 3-pack or any of the combination packs that we sell, you can add just one of the scents into your Scentsy Club. You can get it not just that month, but forever until you take it out of your subscription. And that means that when these go away after the holidays, they're no longer available, but you really, really liked the Berry Blessed or the Happy Holidays or the Feeling Pine, and you want one of those to always be available to you, throw it in your Scentsy Club. You will get it until you take it out of your club, which means that 5 years from now, you can still be getting this scent, which was available in 2020, and in 2025, you can still be getting Feeling Pine, even if it's not been in the catalog for 5 years. So that is an awesome benefit of signing up for a Scentsy Club subscription. So I got 2 sets of those. Feeling Pine, Happy Holidays, and Berry Blessed. I also ordered in a Berry Bright. Whoa, and I'm going to throw it at the camera there. Berry Bright. And Blood Orange Spice. The Pretty and Plaid. I'm Snow Over It. Be Merry. And Vanilla Mint. So those are the waxes that I got in. Oh, wait, there's a Just Breathe and a Snowberry also. So next in this order is some Freshen Up Pup. This is a spray for your dog. It's a deodorizing spray. This is tea tree and peppermint, and then coconut milk and lavender. So these are sprays that you can use on your dog. So if you have a dog, the people who ordered this, they have a dog that, they told me, we have 2 dogs. One of them, he's very clean. We bathe him regularly, and that's all it takes. The other one, we bathe him, and he immediately goes and finds a mud puddle or a pile of whatever he can, whatever smells the worst is what he goes and rolls in. And so they wanted to try these out and see how they worked for their pup. The last 2 things in here I actually ordered in are for me or for you if you come to the event that I'm going to be having a table at. And these are reusable shopping bags. So if somebody orders a warmer and wax or something, that I have some reusable bags that they can use or that they can carry their stuff home in. And then we got available to consultants, but I want to share this with you because it is just super cute. We got this letterboard that has the different Scentsy fruits and just emojis, and then it comes with a complete set of letters. So that is my little purchase for me so that I can make announcements and have it sit on the table at my open house event or my vendor event that I will be going to here in a couple of weeks. So that is what I have to share with you today. Thank you so much. If any of this is something you would like to get your hands on, you can, if you're local, give me a call. I'll help you get the order in, or if I have something, but let me know. And if you are not local, that's the Portland, Vancouver area, then you can always shop on my website at www.kellymartin.scentsy.us. And if you are not in the United States, you can click on the little US flag. There's a drop down in any of the countries that we have product available in. The flag will be there, and you can select your flag and shop and have it shipped directly to you. We are an international company. We are all over the world. Not in every country, but in a lot of countries. So if you have any comments, please leave me comments below. I do really appreciate feedback. Hopefully the camera angle is a little bit better than it has been. I just purchased a light to help with a little bit better lighting and get the camera up a little higher. That was a suggestion from somebody who watched one of my videos. I am always happy to take. Another one is I'm trying to make them shorter. So keep them under 20 minutes instead of going into the 35-40 minute, which I was doing. That is why I have started unboxing some of the product before I share with you, and broke it out. So instead of doing all 3 boxes I got today, broke it into 2 different videos. I do want your feedback. I will try to implement whatever is feasible. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you have a fantastic weekend.